Hi everyone, Captain Rainey here, and a lot of you have been asking, where'd you go? Well, my co-captain and I have been sick as dog and cat. Well, you can fit that around how you like. Since New Year, okay, we came up with some kind of bug or something, but we're back. And also, another thing that's been putting a damper on everything is it's so cold here. Matter of fact, I get up this morning, it was 1 degrees. Can you imagine that? One. Thus the hoodie. Okay, it's still cold in the house. Right now, it seems to be came down to like a balmy 15. So I think we might go sun ourselves at the beach. It's so cold that if you went outside and you cried, you'd have frozen tears on your face. Maybe I'll try that later. Anyways, so we haven't been doing well, but we're doing a lot better now. Hopefully, it's going to warm up in about another week or so. It can't stay this cold forever. And I'll be able to get down in the garage and start working on the boats again. But I just wanted to give you a quick update. Hope everyone is doing great. Let me know in the comments below how your bills are going, or if you not how your bills are going, okay, because if you might not have enough bills and you might want to pay mine, and hey, that would be great. But how your builds are going, and if you are building, if your boat is covered up, if you're thinking of building a new boat, just leave me a comment, because I get lonely and I like to read things. And with that, I hope you all have a great day. I hope it's a lot warmer where you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.